Struggling to find a working copy of OS X Lion for your older Mac or virtual machine? You are not alone. Apple has made it pretty difficult to get older macOS versions. But do not worry, in this video, I am going to show you two guaranteed methods to download OS X 10.7 Lion today. Our first method is perfect if you want a direct download link and a detailed written guide to follow along with. Just open your web browser and go to the article link we provided in the video description below. This article provides direct download links to the OS X Lion DMG and ISO file. Scroll down to the proper section. Then click the link to download the file. It is that simple. But if you want to get the most reliable download, you need to see method 2. First, download iBoysoft DiskGeeker from our article. I have put the download link for that right in the description below. Click the download button, install it, and open it up. Once DiskGeeker is running, click the download image section from the left. A new window will list every version of macOS you can download. Scroll down until you find OS X Lion 10.7. Select it, and hit the Get button. Choose where to save the file. That's it. DiskGeeker will now download the complete and uncorrupted Lion installer. By the way, this tool also allows you to create a bootable USB installer for OS X Lion. If that is what you want, click Create Boot Disk in the main interface. Instead, then choose your external drive. Select the OS X Lion installer to make a bootable drive. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe to the iBoysoft channel for more no-nonsense Mac tutorials.